A mother dog shivers, her fur matted, an island of warmth against the encroaching cold. She huddles, her body a shield, fiercely protecting her tiny puppy from the harsh, unforgiving elements. The puppy whimpers softly, a fragile sound lost in the city's desolate symphony of rain and wind. Her eyes glow with unwavering love, a silent promise of protection in a world that offers little kindness. Snow dusts the alley as a shivering dog lies injured near a dumpster, its whimpers swallowed by the city. An officer cautiously approaches, the crunch of his boots breaking the silence of the snowy scene. He extends a blanket, his voice soft against the cold. "Easy there, boy, it's all right. I'm here to..." Inside the rescue vehicle, a rescued dog settles into a warm crate, safe for now from the surrounding chaos. The dog's relieved eyes peer out from the crate, a silent thank you in its trusting gaze. T Park, a lone dog wanders, his nose twitching, a desperate search for sustenance in the cold. From afar, kindness. The dog pauses, his ears perked, sensing the presence of others. In the silent, rescue headquarters transforms, a haven for rescued dogs, bathed in soft light and filled with compassionate care. Team members move with purpose, offering food, water, and gentle medical attention to the grateful animals. Amidst the organized chaos, a calm atmosphere prevails, a testament to the team's dedication. Each rescued dog finds solace and comfort, their eyes reflecting hope in their newfound sanctuary. "I have got some treats," the officer coaxes, offering a glimmer of hope. Siren abed, they find the dog cowering, its eyes wide with primal fear, reflecting the house's terror. The dog trembles, a silent witness to the secrets and sorrow hidden within the abandoned house. The team moves wearily through the bustling city street, their faces etched with deep frustration and growing despair. City residents stroll past, seemingly indifferent to the sight of distressed animals, their faces a mask of apathy. An officer steps forward. "These animals need our help," he implores, his voice cracking with emotion as he fights for the voiceless. Fluorescent lights cast. Veterinary clinic buzzes with life as rescued dogs receive care, their varied sizes and breeds creating a lively scene. Veterinarians work with practiced efficiency, their hands moving swiftly to check vital signs. Wounds are cleaned with gentle precision, each action a testament to healing and compassion. Vaccinations are administered, a small prick of hope against the backdrop of past neglect. The rescue team watches, their faces etched with relief and gratitude for the clinic's support. In their eyes, a silent promise to provide a better future for these deserving animals. Sunlight filters through the trees as the team prepares for a public awareness event in the bustling park. Banners flutter, adorned with images of rescued dogs, catching the eyes of passers-by. Volunteers arrange informational booths ready to share vital knowledge about animal welfare. Excited dogs bark and wag their tails, their leashes tangling in a joyful display of canine enthusiasm. Warm light bathes rescue headquarters, illuminating smiling faces. A rescued dog wags its tail, heading home with its new family. Crosses the bridge as a small, shivering dog huddles near the edge, battling the storm's fury. An officer braves the elements, his face a mask of determination. Each step measured against the wind and rain. He approaches the frightened animal cautiously, his voice a gentle coaxing amidst the storm's roar. Securing the dog, he shields it from the relentless downpour, a beacon of hope in the darkness. Slowly, they retreat to safety, the officer's silhouette a testament to compassion against nature's wrath. Inside Race Q, rescued dogs show recovery. Tails wag, whimpers turn to playful barks, trust blossoms. The dogs nudge hands with wet noses, offering hesitant licks, seeking connection and affection. Team members respond with compassion, faces etched with care, forming deep emotional bonds. Laughter and gentle cooing fill the air. Bonds deepen between humans and their canine companions. Dawn waters bursts with joyful barks as rescued dogs play freely. Team members laugh, their faces glowing with warmth and camaraderie. A symphony of yelps and happy whimpers fills the bustling space. Dogs weave between legs, their tails wagging furiously. The air vibrates. Excited barks and happy chatter fill the air as families arrive. Adorable dogs greet their potential new families with wagging tails and hopeful eyes. A little girl kneels, gently petting a shy dog, her face glowing with affection. One by one, the rescued dogs find their forever homes, joy radiating from their new families. Each dog leaves with a loving family, their tails wagging furiously, a new chapter beginning.